Do you want to know how you can log into your Cablevision account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Cablevision account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar to search for Cablevision login. You can see you can click on the second link, which is the official site of Cablevision. It will take some time and it will open up and you can see a login portal pop up on your screen. After this screen pops up, a login portal will come in a while. You can see that the login portal has appeared on your screen. Now you can log in with your email address or your customer number. So go ahead and enter your customer number or your email in this section over here and write down your password of Cablevision and click I'm not a robot and then click submit. This way you can log into your Cablevision account successfully. If you scroll a bit down, there is an option of forgot your password. So if you want to recover your password, write in the email address or your customer number and you will get a verification code from Cablevision and then you can recover your password quite easily. It's the same process, guys. Go ahead and write down your email address, click I'm not a robot and click reset my password. I hope this video about how you can log into Cablevision account was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. If you have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section as well. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.